Hi, friends! Today, we're going on a trip to learn about vehicles. Vehicles are things we use to travel from one place to another. Let's see what we can ride. Look at this. This is a car. Cars are small vehicles that families use to go shopping, to school, or to visit friends. And this big one is a bus. A bus can carry many people at once. Kids take the bus to school, and adults take the bus to work. That sound comes from a train. Trains ride on tracks and carry lots of people or heavy things from city to city. They go super long distances without stopping. Wow, what's that flying in the sky? It's an airplane. Airplanes can take us across the world, flying high above the clouds. So, we learned today, cars take families short distances, buses carry many people, trains go far on tracks, airplanes fly across the sky, vehicles help us move, explore, and visit new places. Let's draw a car. Now, let's draw a bus. Time to draw a train. And finally, let's draw an airplane. Let's listen to the story about the car, bus, train, and plane. In a busy little town, 4 friends lived side by side. There was Car, who was small and speedy. I can zip down the road, said Car. Next was Bus, big and strong. I can carry many friends together. Bus beamed. He loved helping children get to school each morning. Then came Train, long and powerful. I can travel far on my tracks. Train stretched across the countryside, puffing happily, and up in the sky was Plane, high and proud. I can fly over mountains as seas. Plane sparkled in the sunlight, waving his wings. One bright morning, car, bus, train, and plane met in the park. Let's see who can go the farthest today, said Car. Great idea, said Bus. Let's make it a race. They all lined up.
3, 2, 1, go!
Car zoomed down the road. Bus rolled along, full of happy passengers. Train chugged on his tracks, smoke puffing in the air. Plane soared above them all, high in the sky. But soon, Car slowed down. I'm tired on such a long road, he sighed. Bus stopped often to let people on and off. Train could only go where the tracks led, and Plane had to land at the airport. At the finish line, all 4 friends met again. They laughed together. We're all good at different things, said Car. I'm best for short trips, said Car. I'm best for carrying many people, said Bus. I'm best for traveling far on land, said Train. And I'm best for flying across the world, said Plane. The four friends cheered together. We're all winners. We help people travel in our own special way. From that day on, car, bus, train, and plane never raced again. Instead, they celebrated being different and being the best at what they do. Question 1. Which vehicle has four wheels and can fit in a garage? Answer: It's a car. Question 2. Which vehicle is big and carries many children to school? Answer: That's right. It's a bus. Question 3. Which vehicle runs on tracks and can have many carriages? Answer: It's a train. Question 4. Which vehicle can fly in the sky and has wings? Answer: You got it. It's a plane. Question 5. Which vehicle can go fast on the road and take you to the park? Answer: Yes, a car. Question 6. Which vehicle is longer than a car and carries many people at once? Answer: That's the bus. Good job. Question 7. Which vehicle makes a loud choo-choo sound? Answer: It's the train. Question 8. Which vehicle can take you to another country quickly? Answer: That's right, a plane. Question 9. Now it's your turn. What is your favorite vehicle? Answer: Tell me, do you like the car, the bus, the train, or the plane best?